Welcome to Let Me Fix This. Enjoy the video.
Connect a DualShock 4 via USB or Bluetooth and enable it in settings. Use a wired connection for the lowest input lag or Bluetooth for convenience. Either will work with Ps4. Set controller layout to classic for familiar button mapping and verify button icons match on-screen prompts. Adjust sensitivity and dead zones in controller settings to 10-15% for passing and 8-12% for shooting to prevent drift while keeping responsive inputs. Save the profile so you can return to the same feel before each match. Use left stick for player movement and right stick for manual player run to take precise attacking angles. Press X for short pass, square for through ball, triangle for attack cross, circle for clearance or tackle depending on context. Combine square and R1 for driven through balls. Hold R2 for sprint and L2 for composed ball control or jockey. Use L1 for teammate press to trigger pressure. Use R1 for skill moves with right stick and L3 to toggle sprint lock to conserve stamina during long runs. Use manual pressing with L1 plus circle to trigger teammate pressure and regain possession in dangerous zones. Press twice to intensify pressure. Employ timed standing tackle by tapping circle at 0. 2-0. 4 seconds before contact for cleaner wins and fewer fouls, and mix with sliding tackles using square when recovery is needed. Switch to manual goalkeeper with triangle when 1v1 to narrow angles, and use right stick to dive and position hands, while using L2 to command the keeper to hold.
Thanks for watching. If you found this helpful, don't forget to like and subscribe.